Choosing the best window installation company in Fayetteville is one of the most important decisions you can make as a homeowner. New windows not only boost your home's energy efficiency but also improve its curb appeal and value. However, picking the right company can feel overwhelming with so many options out there. Here are some practical tips to help you make a smart choice. Look for experience and expertise. Start by checking how long the company has been in business. Window installation takes skill and precision, so it's best to go with a company that has a proven track record in Fayetteville. Look for specialists who focus on window replacement rather than general contractors who only do it occasionally. An experienced window installer will know how to deal with the local climate, building codes, and any challenges with your home's structure. Check for proper licensing and insurance. Always confirm that the company holds the right licenses to operate in Fayetteville. Licensed professionals meet industry standards and follow local regulations, giving you peace of mind that your project is in capable hands. Also, make sure they carry liability insurance and workers' compensation. This protects you if something goes wrong during installation. Read reviews and ask for references. Customer reviews can be a goldmine of information. Look at online ratings and read detailed reviews to see how the company treats its clients. Pay attention to feedback about communication, cleanliness, and whether projects are finished on time. Also, don't hesitate to ask the company for references. A trustworthy installer will gladly connect you with past customers so you can hear about their experiences firsthand. Check out their window options. A good window installation company should offer a wide range of products and materials. Whether you want energy-efficient vinyl windows, classic wood frames, or something custom, they should be able to guide you through the pros and cons of each option. You'll want a company that explains how different types of windows can affect your energy bills, comfort, and maintenance needs. Look for warranties and guarantees. Windows are a big investment, so make sure you know what's covered if there's a problem later on. Reliable companies stand behind their work with solid warranties on both the windows themselves and their installation. Ask for details in writing so you fully understand what's included and for how long. Get multiple estimates. It's always smart to compare quotes from a few different window installers in Fayetteville. This helps you see if one company is pricing far too high or suspiciously low. Remember, the cheapest price isn't always the best deal. Consider the quality of materials, the installer's experience, and the warranty before making a decision based on price alone. Pay attention to communication. From the first phone call to the final walkthrough, a good window installation company will communicate clearly and respectfully. They should answer your questions, explain the process, and keep you updated every step of the way. Poor communication is a red flag and can cause headaches later on. Consider local knowledge. A Fayetteville-based company will better understand the local weather conditions, building codes, and homeowner association rules. They may also have established relationships with local suppliers, which could help you get faster service or better pricing on materials. Final thoughts. Choosing a window installation company doesn't have to be stressful if you take the time to research and ask the right questions. Look for experience, licensing, good reviews, fair pricing, and a commitment to customer service. In the end, hiring a qualified and reliable window installer will give you peace of mind and beautiful new windows that you can enjoy for years to come. If you're ready to start your project, use these tips to help you narrow down the best options in Fayetteville, and you'll be well on your way to a smoother, stress-free window installation experience.